वेलकम बैक स्टूडेंट्स टू केमिस्ट्री कॉन्सेप्ट। दिस इज पंकज सिंह और हम पढ़ रहे हैं चैप्टर 1 ऑफ क्लास 11th केमिस्ट्री फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक। ये इस चैप्टर की थर्ड वीडियो है। वी हैव कवर्ड दी 2 वीडियो ऑलरेडी and link of all those video you can find in the description of this particular video. You can go through them and watch it. Okay, for in this particular video we are going to cover the topic scientific notation. हम सीखेंगे scientific notation है। Okay, so to begin with, let me tell you this with a very simple example. Let's say मेरे पास एक नंबर है 0.0928. 0.0928. Can I write it in this way? 9.28 into 10 power minus 2. Obviously I can. Or the one, this format, ये जो format है ना, this is only called scientific notation. So what do we mean by scientific notation? Scientific notation means writing any number in this format. Okay. Let's see what they have written. Then we'll come to see few more examples. ये class C. The scientific notation or the exponential notation in which any number can be represented in the form of n into 10 power n, where n is an exponent having positive or negative value and n is a number. It's called scientific notation. That's it. Simple. Ekdam simple. Let's see few example. 492.1. This can be written as 4.921 into 10 power, yes, 10 raised to power 2. In the same way, if we have 0.00126, we can write it 1.26 into 10 power minus 3. कैसे -3? देखिए, डेसिमल पॉइंट जहां था हम उससे 1 2 3 पॉइंट पीछे ले आए ना, दैट्स वाई -3. एक पॉइंट और पीछे ले आते और इसे लिखते 12.6, ये हो जाता 10 पावर -4. ठीक है। सो जहां पर डेसिमल पॉइंट है क्लास, अगर पॉइंट वहां से राइट साइड में मूव करता है, मैं आपको बताता हूं, इफ द डेसिमल पॉइंट, मैं अच्छे से लिखूंगा, रुकिए यहां पे, लेट्स से वी हैव अगेन 0.0123. दिस इज द डेसिमल पॉइंट, दिस इज द न्यूट्रल पॉइंट. अगर डेसिमल पॉइंट यहां से इधर की तरफ जाएगा ऑन द राइट साइड, द पावर विल डिक्रीज. पॉजिटिव है तो कम पॉजिटिव होती चली जाएगी, नेगेटिव है तो और ज़्यादा नेगेटिव होती चली जाएगी, और यहाँ से जब यहाँ जाएगा द पावर विल इंक्रीज. बेस्ट एग्जांपल देता हूँ. अभी इसका मतलब है 0.0123 इंटू 10 पावर 0, 10 पावर नथिंग. डेसिमल पॉइंट जैसे जैसे राइट साइड में मूव करेगा, पावर इंक्रीज होगी, सॉरी डिक्रीज होगी. ये हो जाएगा 0. एक डेसिमल पॉइंट आगे ले गए, 1 2 3 10 पावर 1, 10 पावर -1. डेसिमल पॉइंट एक डिजिट आगे गया, पावर -1 हो गई. ओके, लेट्स मूव इट वन मोर पॉइंट, 1.23, it will become 10 power -2. One more point to the right side, 12.3, it will become 10 power -3. As the point keeps on moving on the right side, the power keeps on decreasing. Opposite of this, अगर मैं इसे ऐसे लिखता ना, डेसिमल पॉइंट को लेफ्ट साइड में लेके जाता, यानी इसे कर देता 0.00123, ये हो जाता 10 पावर 1। एक डेसिमल पॉइंट और लेफ्ट में लेके जाते, 0.0000123 इंटू 10 पावर 2। आई बिलीव समझ में आ गया होगा, आपको नहीं आया होगा तो एक एग्जाम्पल और देखते हैं, इससे आ जाएगा समझ में। एन एग्जाम्पल इज, लेट्स आई हैव 12.48 into 10 power 2. It's already 2. What I told you, if the number moves, decimal point moves on the right side, the power decreases. That means it is equal to 124.8 into 10 power 1, which is equal to 1248 into 10 power 0. That means nothing, which is equal to 12480 into 10 power minus 1, which is equal to 12480 into 10 power minus 2, and so on. So the decimal point keeps on moving on the right side, the power of the 10 keeps on decreasing. In the same way, if the decimal point moves on the left side, the power of the 10 will increase. That means I can write it as 1.248 into 10 raised to power 3, or 0.1248 into 10 raised to power 4, or 0.01248 into 10 raised to power 5. I hope it's clear now. Let's move to the next topic. How to add, subtract and multiply the scientific notations. We'll learn this with an example. Let's first talk about multiplication and division. Okay, let's say if I have to multiply 4 into 10 power 3 with 5 into 10 power 4. What do I need to do? You all are aware. 4 into 5, they will get multiplied, into powers will add. So what we get is 20 into 10 power 7. Just like this example, when we multiply 5.6 into 10 power 5 with 6.9 into 10 raised to power 8, the 5.6 and 6.9 get multiplied, and the power of 10 they add on, 5 plus 8, 13. That's okay. So when we multiply numbers, the numbers multiply and their powers add. And what if we divide? 4 into 10 power 3 divided by 5 into 10 power 4. This will be obviously 4 by 5. The digits will undergo division, and the power will get subtracted. It will not be now 3 plus 4, it will be 3 minus 4. 0.8 into 10 power minus 1, which is nothing but 0.08. I believe it's okay. Fine. So when we multiply, the powers add on. When we divide, the power gets subtracted. Okay, now what about addition and subtraction? But there's a challenge with when we talk about addition and subtraction. Like if I have to add 2 into 10 power 4 into plus 3 into 10 power 3. I cannot add them unless their powers are same. Okay, either they both have 10 raised to power 4 or they both must be 10 raised to power 3. Otherwise I will not be able to add them. So let's do it. How to do this? We can write it obviously in this format: 2 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 0.3 into 10 raised to power 4. Okay, now what will happen? Let me do it on some different place. Okay, so 2 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 3 into 10 raised to power 3. I cannot solve this equation until the power of 10 is same in both of the numbers. So we can write it like this: 2 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 0.3 into 10 raised to power 4. I just told you, as the decimal point moves on the left side, the power of the 10 increases. Now as they both have 10 raised to power 4, we'll take that common, and what we get is 2 plus 0.3 into 10 raised to power 4, and we get 2.3 into 10 raised to power 4. That's it. What about subtraction? Same as this. Let's say 4 into 10 raised to power 4. In this we have to subtract 2 into 10 raised to power 3. So let's make the power first same. 4 into 10 raised to power 4 minus 0.2 into 10 raised to power 4. Okay. Now we'll take the 10 raised to power 4 common, and what we get, 4 minus 0.2 into 10 raised to power 4 comes out to be 3.8 into 10 raised to power 4. That's it. Okay. So this is the introduction about the scientific notation. What is scientific notation? How we add two numbers which are in the scientific notation, how we subtract them, how to multiply them, how we divide them, and how the powers vary when we change the number. Okay. This was not that much important topic. कोई अलग से आपसे क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछने वाला इसके बारे में. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में ऐसे ही यूज हो जाएगा. But in the next topic, in the next video of us, we are going to cover scientific significant figure, which is very, very important. Very important. So don't forget to watch that video. You'll find the link of that video also in the description of this one once the video is uploaded, and we keep on uploading all the videos. We'll be covering all the syllabus of 11th and 12th and IIT JEE and NEET one by one in this format only. So if you want to watch all those videos which you would like to watch, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so whenever we upload a video, you come to know about the same. Thanks for watching.